Hi everybody. In this video we continue with how to sort data using Ream database in React Native as follow. You have a button to sort ascending and descending your data depending on the name of the to-do list. Okay, so let's start from the previous lesson. We see that change a little bit. I bring this button to here, add button, and the delete on button is in the upper right, is in the right. Okay, so we add a button to here. The button is sort button, so I do the same as with the has add button and the has delete on button. We do the same with this, so we use the has sort button, true or false. If it is true, it will display the taskbar opacity here, and we customize the style for this the same as with any other button in the header. So the sort icon here, when depending on the source state, we have the icon according to the source state. For example, source state ascending, we have an icon for ascending, and we have the icon for sort descending. So here it is the icon, but where is this sort ascending? To sort ascending is a string, so I will define this. Here is some icon for ascending and descending. You can download very easy. So create a new file for storing the sort ascending on sort descending. I call this source state .js, and inside the source state we define some of the string for sort ascending and sort descending. It is simply a string, but it is important when you add it to a JavaScript file, so other file can access this. Okay, you import the sort ascending and sort descending here from source state, and calling this to choose between the ascending and the ascending and the descending sort. So here is the title. The title here has been shown to the user interface. And what about this? We come to this, and I replace this to the source. The source here, or the image source, is a source icon, and the sort button image is a square. It means it has a width and height, the same width and height. And the sort function, yes, it is a sort function, so I have to define the sort function to when you press. So the sort function you can define here. Firstly, import sort ascending and sort descending, and you can define the sort function inside the to-do list component. So by pressing this, you can set the state for the source state. The source state initially with the value sort ascending is a default value, and after calling sort, the sort function will reverse the source state. If the source state is ascending, it will change to descending, and vice versa. By checking this, I can set the source state after you press sort, and it will be flipped. It will be flipped to the next state, from ascending to descending, and from descending to ascending. Okay. After that, after the state has been changed, the user interface has been reloaded. So the to-do list now, here you can set depending on the state. You can set depending on the state. So you call the function sorted. The sorted function you can find in the Ream database. Depending on the state, it will return the true or false. If it is true, it will sort descending, and the default is sort ascending. So it is an API or the function in Ream database. Okay. So after the state change, the use interface will be reload, and inside this header I can inside this header I can set the prop up has sort button true. If the has sort button true, the sort button will be displayed. So I use the same algorithm as has delete on button or has add button, the true or false. Okay, so it will sort, so it call to this sort function inside this to-do list component, and it is very flexible. You can set this sort here, or you can define the sort inside the header component, but inside this to-do list is properly. So the source state here, I set the source state for the source state for the prop of the header component. So inside the header component, we can set the style for this. We can set the sort button image here. So width and height is the same, so it is square, and thin color white. It is some basic and something like the same with delete button image. Okay, so let's start with adding more objects to here. We adding, for example, A, B, C, to-do list name A, to-do list name B, C, etc. C, save, D, for example D, and after pressing this button, it will change this change. Okay, you can reload the sorted list. Okay, so in this lesson I have just tell you about the sorted, how to sort an array of objects in Ream database in React Native. You can subscribe to my channel for seeing more videos in Ream database, and download code here in this link. Thank you.